Subscribe to PyPro tricks for Python and competitive programming and Bootstrap Station for technical videos. So today we are going to convert decimal to binary using bitwise operators. So we are taking 171 as an example here, and the binary of 171 which we are going to get in the output is this one, 10101011. This is the binary of 171. Let us check it right here, and you can see we have 10101011. So this must be our output. Now from the bitwise operators we are going to use AND bitwise operator. So if we try doing AND with 1 with this 171 number, the original number, there will be zeros on the left side. If we do an AND with 1, so we are going to get 1 and all other zeros. So what this AND will be telling us is whether we have a 1 or 0 at the rightmost position, and we are going to save the result of this AND operator. Like here we are getting 1, so we are going to save it. And if we go into the next iteration, we have to shift this number by 1 to the right side using the right shift operator, which will give us the number this one, 1010101, and this rightmost 1 will be gone when we shift it by 1. So what is the value of this number? Let us quickly find out. We are going to convert the number this into integer, and it is in base 2 binary. So this number is 85. So this is 85, and we are going for the second iteration now, and now again we do an AND with it. We get 1. So now we know that here also we have 1 at this position rightmost. Now again we are going to save it, and we right shift it by 1 like we did here, and we get the number 101010. The rightmost 1 will be gone, and this number is 42. So here we get 42, and this is the third iteration we are doing. Again AND with 1, 0 0 0 0, and this time we get a 0, right? Because the AND of 0 and 1 is 0. So now we know that at this position we have a 0. So we are going to add this 0 into the result set, and again we right shift this number by 1, and now we are going to get in the fourth iteration the number 10101. This rightmost 0 will be gone after right shifting it by 1. And what is the value of this number? 21. So this is 21, and doing an AND with 1, we get a 1. So now we know that we have at this position a 1. Again we right shift it by 1, and we are going to get the number 1010, which is equal to 10. So this number is 10. Do an AND with 1, we get a 0 here. So this tells us that we have a 0 at this position. So now again we right shift it by 1, and we get the number 101, which is equal to 5. Fifth iteration, and this is the sixth one here. Again we perform the same operation, and with 1 we get a 1 here, and at this position we have a 1. Now we go for the seventh iteration by right shifting this number by 1 place. So now we are going to get 10, which is equal to 2. Doing an AND with 1, we get 0. So we have a 0 at this position. Now we go for the 8th iteration, right shift the number by 1, and we get 1 because this 0 will be gone, which is equal to 1, and we are going to do an AND with 1 and we get a 1, which means we have a 1 at this position. So now in the 9th iteration, when we right shift this number by 1, we have all other zeros on the right side, a lot of them. Okay, so we are going to get a 0, which means that the number is 0 and we are going to stop at this place. So after 8 successful operations, we got all of the digits in the binary representation of this number. And now if we write all of these, you can see in the first time we got 1, then 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. It means we got the numbers in the reverse order. Now the final answer is the reverse of this number that we have calculated. Find it out. So let us first of all write an algorithm for it. Def decimal to binary, and we are going to receive a number, and we have to perform all of these operations inside the while loop until the number gets equal to 0, or you can say until it is greater than 0. We are going to perform these operations. So we do the while loop until num is greater than 0, and we are going to store the last bit from the right side by doing an AND operation with the number and 1. And after doing the operation, as I told you, we have to do the right shift of the number. So number is equal to num right shift by 1 digit. So this is the main algorithm. Let us create a list named as binary, where we are going to store all of the last bits of the given number while doing all of these operations. Okay, so we are going to append into the binary by converting the last bit, because last bit will be an integer after doing this operation, the above. So we are going to convert it into the string, and then we are going to append into the binary list, and finally we are going to return the binary list. So let us try it. Print decimal to binary, and the number is 171. So here we missed it, it was last bit, and you can see that we have the answer like this: 11010101, the one we got right here. So this is in the reverse order. And what if we reverse the list? So reversing the list is done using this way: slicing. This is the starting position, this is the ending position, and this is the way we proceed. If it is a negative number, then we are going from last to the first position. So now if we execute it, you can see that we got the binary of 171. Here it is, you can match it. Let us get the correct form. So here we are going to use join, and we are going to join all of these strings without any spaces. So we are having double quotes only without any space. Execute it, and you can see that we have the binary right here. And if you want to check for another number, let us say increase it a little bit, execute it, and you can see the binary of this number 172341. Let me show you by using the inbuilt bin function, and you can see match both of these are same. So we have successfully converted decimal to binary using bitwise operators. Now please subscribe to PyProtricks and Boostup Station. That's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.